I've got the pedal assistance sensor fitted and it is flashing. Going into the menu, I'm double clicking M. So P1 is a screen brightness, P2 is auto shutdown, P2 is auto shutdown, P3 is kilometers an hour or miles per hour, P4, I need that on manual gearing, put it onto 0, P5, battery status, factory reset, and advanced menu. Need to go into the A numbers, so the advanced menu. Password is 18001. Advanced menu. A1 is a system voltage, don't need to change that. A2 is the PAS levels, pedal assistance levels, that's okay, 5. A3 is a speed limiting, so you can enter that, put it to 25 kilometers an hour. Okay. A4. Now this, you don't want to be looking at Chat GPT because I made the mistake. That's too high. It needs to be 40 amps for this 52 volt 2000 watt kit. So luckily I didn't use the bike much. So Chat GPT says it's for a different parameter, so I'm going to set A4 to 40 amps, very important. A5 is wheel circumference, that's okay. A6 number of speed magnets in the actual hub, don't need to change that. A7 number of magnets on the pedal assist near the pedal, that's 12, that's correct. Now A8, so throttle control. Throttle 0 is unlimited. I don't want unlimited throttle. Right. Throttle is enabled and speed is unlimited. Throttle is enabled and limited to 3. So I want 3. Throttle is enabled and limited. No. Okay, 3. I want throttle is enabled and limited to 6 kilometers an hour. So that means I can use the throttle up to 6 kilometers an hour, but then I have to pedal. Hopefully that's going to work with the pedal assist. A9 is direct start, I don't know what that is. A10, drive mode, throttle assist or driven by pedal and throttle, so I need to change that to 2. Driven by pedal and throttle, now that should make it work. A11 is throttle PWM, that's nothing to do with me. So all those settings should mean I can use the throttle to 6 kilometers an hour, and then it goes on to pedal assist up to 15.5 miles per hour. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this is going to be the setting that I'm looking for. So the only way to be sure with all the A's and the P numbers is to download the the information sheet from Kirby e-bikes. So I printed it out and just keep it, all the P settings and the A settings. That's using ChatGPT is definitely not correct. It's a bit confusing with ChatGPT. So it's gone back now. Now I'm going to do a test. The problem I was having is that the sensor was at an angle and it needs to be more radial to the magnets. So this position has worked perfectly. So at the moment it's working, but I really need to fix this. It's quite solid. I need to fix this into a better position. So pedal assist is working. So this is hitting against the bottom bracket a little bit. If I could just hot glue the end, because this is working perfectly okay. It's a little bit deep, but this seems quite a good position. Just a little blob of hot glue and that should work. At the moment it's working perfectly.